So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to turn on monetization option on TikTok, how we can get the monetization option on new TikTok account, or how to turn on monetization on TikTok new account. There are the same topic in that video we are covered. So let's start video without wasting any time and see how we can get and how to enable. So let's start video without wasting any time. As you can see, this is my TikTok account and I just created the latest account and there is no followers. You can see appears on screen, there is no followers showing here. Just created the latest and new account. So tap on three lines, you can see appears on screen showing here on the top. Okay, after that you can see appears on screen here are showing creators tool. Okay, tap on that. Now you can see appears on screen here are showing all option that right now, and you can see appears on screen in the bottom creativity program beta. Okay, so basically this is the monetization section that right now added in my new account. There is no followers, no videos, and I get that option in my new TikTok account. Okay, just tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen get reward with creativity program beta. Create videos that are 1 minute or longer to get rewarded on qualified views. You can see appears on screen there are condition right now showing here have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100k videos views in the last 13 days. Okay, in the bottom you can see appears on screen another option, be at least 18 years old. So basically this is the terms and condition to get the monetization on TikTok videos. So how we can get that feature on the TikTok account? There is no option showing here in many accounts and many countries. So in that video I am going to clear that there are some countries that right now supported that option on TikTok and many countries not supported. So maybe in future your country is eligible for that option, so you can easily get that option. So friends, after watching this video I hope you can understand how we can get the creativity program beta option on our TikTok account. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.